What is going on, KD fans? Clint Novak here at the site of Intimidator 305. They are cruising along with progress. Check this out. Look at all that. First, I guess we'll check out the station while we're up here real quick. Right now the station platform is done. Track is in. They're working on stuff, getting ready to string the cable up. You can see them working underneath the lift there. And they've got the frame for the control room done. And they're working on removing the big crane, because where the crane is the last piece of track that needs to be put in, and that's the bunny hills that'll go all the way to the back side of the coaster. They have made amazing progress in the last week, that's for sure. Let's go check out some stuff down here. All right, this is your very first, this is actually a backwards POV shot, but the sun was in the eyes the other direction. As you can see, they are in the background working on getting rid of a crane. And right here, this is where the cable spool will be, which will operate the lift. And you can see the spool right there on the truck. It'll be in place right there. That'll go all the way up there. Almost looks like the cable is... No, those are just the grooves that the cable will go in. Awesome. As you can see, the tunnel is making some good progress. And the final look for today's update at Intimidator 305. Check it out. You can see down here they're working on the wall. That's gonna split up the queue line and everything. Working on there, where the winner circle is going to be. Queue line's going to be on that side, I believe. The exit on this side. And it's unclear for me to see right now where the exit is exactly going to exit out of the track area. Well, there you are. Alright, well that does it for your update today. Check out kdfansite.com. We got pictures up there. The conversations are going crazy. kdfansite.com. Also, Coaster Crew YouTube page. youtube.com/Coaster Crew for updates from day 3 all the way to now. We will see you guys on the midway. See ya.